Starting a transportation business shouldn't feel like this. Confused by paperwork, stuck on DOT, MC, LLC, EIN, and all the red tape? You're not alone. Thousands of expiring couriers never make it past step 1. Here's how Andre Supreme Logistics Coaching makes it simple. Our TSFL package covers LLC formation, EIN registration, .NMC authority, Bot 3 filing, and a one-on-one strategy call. Our premium TSFL package includes everything in basic, plus custom website, course access, and 30 days of free advisory support. Backed by a complete coaching system, boot camp, in-class instructional teaching, 6-module do-it-yourself course, step-by-step, 60-minute fast call for urgent help, build-out services done for you. Advisory retainer, stay compliant, stay paid. Download your free checklist and see exactly what you need. Ready to move from idea to income? Click Learn More to download your free checklist and start building with ASL Coaching today.